Hey guys, I was looking at some analytics this morning for my free busy system, and I noticed that I had gotten in the last 30 days 10 referrals from my Cryptobizzy sponsor link. And what I'm talking about, let me show you, is at the bottom of Cryptobizzy, every page, there's this little ad from your upgraded Cryptobizzy referrer right here. And I had this set to free busy until this morning, and I have a reason for that. But anyway, I noticed that I had these 10 referrals on 30 clicks over. So I'm getting about a click or two a day just organically from my Cryptobizzy sponsor ad. And then I've gotten 10 signups in another program from it. This is really cool stuff. So if you haven't upgraded in Cryptobizzy yet, the way to add this thing is to go to upgraded members extras and make sure you go to sponsor ad right here. And this is a great way to kind of turn Cryptobizzy into a nice little funded proposal funnel for you. If you know what that term is, basically what it means is you've got Cryptobizzy on the front end. You can send traffic to Cryptobizzy and then make your $5 instant commissions. You can make commissions from the other traffic programs. But then out the back end, you have that sponsor ad that people start clicking. And they also, of course, can reach out to you directly. And you have the ability to either build your email list, of course, if you're an upgraded pro, or send people out to this sponsor ad that generates you instant commissions. So extra commissions for whatever it is you're promoting from day to day. So I've actually decided to focus a little more on Cryptobizzy. I'm going to can the free busy system and focus on driving traffic through this funnel, because what I've seen is that the Cryptobizzy funnel itself actually has the ability to get people clicking on the other things I'm promoting on the back end, my main business opportunities and things of that nature. So quick video about this sponsored ad. You might be watching this on the upgraded page, or you might be watching this in the Facebook group. Just feel free to reach out via Facebook Messenger if you have any questions at all. Thanks.